let's go fishing game. And Nico's gonna test this out. Say hi, Nico.
Hi.
Okay. So why don't we go ahead and open this up.
Open this up.
Oops, I got it upside down. Put all these in here. Lots of
Do
fish.
you need batteries?
I think they're already in there. I hope not, because I don't think I got it. Good question. I need these. What color do you want?
I don't know. I want both of them.
I think we're missing one fish. That's okay. I think I must have dropped it or something. Oh, there's a drop. Oh, yeah. I think I dropped the fish. That's okay. We're down a fish. Don't worry about it. What color do you want?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Where did I put it?
Well, let's see here. They're gonna open their mouth, and you are gonna get them. The one who gets the most wins. Simple. You got one. Let's go pushing.
I almost got that. I almost got that yellow guy. Look at me.
Do you like this game?
Almost got. Yeah.
I got one.
I got one.
Oh,
I got one.
You're winning.
I got red one.
I think I dropped it down. I think you dropped it down here. I got it. Where's the other one? Alright, let's go. Still have the same kind of trick thing on. I got two. I think I'm tied with you now. Let's go. You got it.
I got three.
Oh no, you're beating me. I was never very good at this game. I had this game as a kid. That's why I'm a smaller one. I got one. I'm beating you.
That's because I can't get.
Okay, let's go, Suri. Let's go, Nico. What do you think of this game, Suri? Do you like it? Nico, what do you think?
Yes, I like it. Gotcha. Where's my blue one? I rigged it.
What do you think? What do you think, Suri? Do you like this game or not?
Sorry, don't take the money now.
What color is that?
Red.
What color is the fish?
Red.
No, the one in your hand.
Blue.
She's catching the fish again.
No.
Wow!
It's yay. Oh, I popped one out of the hole and it went somewhere else. I popped the Lucas and went right here and then it turned around. Oh, look, it's I got a green one. I got a green one.
You did.
Yes.
Is this your new favorite game? Alright, say bye, Suri.
Bye! Say bye. Bye!
You're gonna let it swing, you're gonna let it like this. There you go.
they jump out the circle, then they get this like that.
Really? So honey shoe, do you have honey shoe? I've never heard of honey shoe. What is
No, honey shoe, I just know, but I don't know about the termites.
that? Termites. Is the game called termites?
No, I don't know about the turcans.
Oh, that's another game?
No, it's not another game. It's just,
Okay.
I don't know why they have weird eyes. It's like weird eyes are like.
Wait, who has weird eyes?
No, they're like they're like this. Their eyes are like this.
Alright, well,
They're like this.
do you like this game or not?
I like it because you get to fish. You get fish quickly.
Okay, so if you were to give a rating, like, out of 10, how many Nikos would you give it? How many Nikos out of 10?
I'll take out one.
Only 1 out of 10? That's not very good. Like 10 is the best. 10 out of 10 is like the best game ever, and 1 out of 10 is like the worst game ever. So what would you give it?
I'll like 100.
100? You like it that much?
And you can also get 100 fishes there if you want to.
Okay. But I mean, do you like this game?
But there's also magnets and some fish.
That's true. It looks
But I
like-
don't really like the magnet ones.
Who won though? Let me
The
see.
magnet ones,
I think
the
you won.
magnet ones quickly close and open, and then they click your finger. So don't get the magnet ones. Just get the ones that don't have a magnet.
I think that's because they're broken. That's why.
Yeah, the magnet ones are broken. They don't have batteries. The other ones don't. If they pop out if they pop out one,
Mhm.
don't think about it. If you think about it, then
Okay.
they will know that you're thinking about it. Then they will
Okay.
open their mouth and chop your finger like this, and they will press it really hard.
Okay, so
So that's why don't think about it.
all right, say bye to everybody, and that was your review of Let's Go Fishing game, and you gave it 100 out of 10, even though you didn't like it very much.
I like it.
You liked it. Okay, good. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, be careful.